Hey everyone, this is Wade from fishfindermounts.com, and I want to show you guys our new upgrade for your Gen 2 mounting products from fishfindermounts.com, like the Gen 2 pole and beam mount kits, anything Gen 2 type design. The Gen 2 type design, you'll commonly see what we call our split clamp here. It looks like this. These are two pieces of machined aluminum that come together and ultimately hold your Gen 2 pole in there. I'll just loosen this off so you guys can quickly see, like so, and you can see that they're independently moving, these pieces, okay? So this is not what I'm ultimately going to show you, but this is what, like, this is what you have. If you have a Gen 2, you have this design, our split clamp. However, we redesigned the Gen 2, as you guys, many of you may know, and we did the Gen 3 series. And the Gen 3 series is different in that that clamp that I just showed you here, it looks like this now. It looks like this. And it's made out of one piece of aluminum. And we really like this, guys. And so we knew you would really like it too. We like this new design of ours. So you can see it's one piece of aluminum. You just pull this guy. One of the things, so a couple things with the Gen 2, that the differentiation is, some guys, what they've done is they've maybe fooled around with this over the water, take things apart, and then boom, it fell in the water, they had to replace it. This one here comes with a little nut design, so really you can't really get it off unless you really intentionally get a wrench on it. And all you have to do is loosen this, and then you pull this, and of course it locks into the different detents. So that's an improved aspect, and the one piece of aluminum is also an improvement. It just makes it smoother and quieter, we found, with our Gen 3. So enter the Gen 2.1 split clamp, the Gen 2.1. See, here's the Gen 3. The Gen 3 does 1-inch diameter poles. This is a 1-inch diameter pole here. And you can see that fits in there nicely, and then you tighten up your T-knob right here, and now it's in there. Just lay that down. The Gen 2.1 will take your split clamp. So if you have one of these and you want to do an upgrade, guys, this is going to upgrade your Gen 2 to what we're calling Gen 2.1. And the Gen 2.1 ultimately, ow! The Gen 2.1 is going to look like this. So it is accepting, you can see this is a 1-inch diameter pole. The Gen 2 series is it's a 3/4 inch pole, so it won't work with Gen 3, but we've made a Gen 3 type style we're calling our split clamp that works for your Gen 2 stuff. So now you've got a one-piece aluminum, basically a copy of the Gen 3, but for your Gen 2. So awesome, guys. And we'll just pop it onto here. So that's what it would look like here. We'll put this guy in here. This is going to go, your tri-knob will go through here. Tri-knob, 3 of these prongs are sticking off, or whatever. Star knob, some guys call them. So this will go inside of here, just like the Gen 3, and you'll see a lot of it's coming out proud. The stud's coming out proud. Well, we're going to have a nut on there, a lock nut on there, so it'll look just identical to that. From fishfindermounts.com, upside down all the way, baby. So there you go. That's what your Gen 2 will now be like. So hey guys, it is on our website under replacement parts. Might be a couple of other places. I'm not sure what we've done exactly on our website, but you're looking for the Gen 2.1 split clamp. Maybe we might be calling it 2.1 upgrade. I haven't looked at the website to see what we did there, but very, very cool. Call us if you can't find it on the website. We'd be glad to direct you to it on the website. Our number is 1-855-784-3474, toll free. And I am Wade from fishfindermounts.com. And the final thing is, I'll just show you what it looks like fully assembled. I probably didn't need to show you guys all of that. But look at this. Here it is in all its glory. There's the 2.1 fully assembled. You loosen this guy off here so that your pole will move up and down. You can rotate it. We also recommend you put our 3/4 inch shaft collar clamp on here. It acts like a depth stop. So if this is the depth you like, boom, it'll ride on top of that. I don't have one here, unfortunately, to show you. It'll ride on top of there, and then you just tighten it up, of course, and now it's solid locked in there. A nice big knob to turn, really locks it down really well and easily. And you can still tilt it from here as well. So all the features of the Gen 3, and even more right now today with the Gen 2.1 split clamp upgrade for your Gen 2 mounts from fishfindermounts.com. And I'm Wade. Thanks for watching, everyone.